Here is a Climax paper drilling machine that is floor standing. It's model number 956D, made out of Santa Ana, California. You use your foot to activate the press. So there's a bit that fits under here. Here's an example of what the bit looks like. You put your paper stock down here, turn it on. And so this is for thick stock paper that you can't use a hole puncher on. The other cool thing is, and the reason I picked up this machine, is that you could potentially make it into a tapered floor standing drill press that could potentially be used to fit under this piece. What you have to do is you have to cut off the excess here because it's a little long, but you could make it to work if you have one of these lying around and you don't need to use it for paper stock.